thing we can be able to look at in contact is we can be able to pick various contacts, or if you want to pick all of your contacts, you just need to click on this, and this is going to pick the contact that you can see here, which is 50 contacts. If you want to select every of the contacts in your HubSpot account, you can just click on select all contacts. So this is going to select all of the 1,373 contacts we have, and when you click that, you can be able to do a lot of things. You can say that this contact should be assigned to someone. So for instance, if you have contacts that maybe they are still in new and open list status, and you want to assign to a list a particular user, and you do not want to do that one by one, you can just pick whatever contact it is, you can assign to the owner, and you can just click the particular user in your CRM, and you can be able to type in the number. It is always going to ask you to type in the number just to make sure that you know what you are doing. And you click on yes, I want to apply these changes, and you click on updates. This is going to assign all of these contacts to Emma Glory, who is the only user in HubSpot here. Okay, and as you can see, we can be able to see that Emma Glory is going to be the contact owner of all of these contacts. So apart from that, we can also decide to edit. So for instance, you can be able to edit whatever custom fields you want to edit in here, or whatever fields you want to edit, or property. It is called property in HubSpot, not custom fields. So as you can see, we can decide I want to edit the status, we can decide I want to edit the close dates, we can decide we want to edit maybe the city, the country. You can edit all of those things, and it is actually amazing because you don't need to start editing one by one, especially if what you want to edit is the same thing or the same value. You can just do that for every one of them. So let's say we want to add in a tag, and we want to add in a particular tag for all of these contacts. So we can say the contacts are code, and it's going to ask you to insert the number also, and this is going to edit for every of the contacts we just picked. And when you click on update, it is going to update that, and it's going to update that particular custom field, which is tags, and it's going to make everyone code, like it's going to add a code tag to everyone. So you can also decide to delete. If you want to delete contacts in your HubSpot account, maybe people unsubscribed, or there have been some bounced emails and you just want to take them off, you don't want them again, you can just like pick them. So when you pick them, so let's say I want to pick this and this, and I can just decide to click on delete, and when I click on delete, it's going to delete the contact I just picked. So I type in my number and I type in, and I click on delete, and it's going to delete all of those contacts. Remember that you can also restore them if you made a mistake. So another thing you can do for this contact page is that you can edit your columns. So the number, let me go back here. As you can see, we can see the name, we can see the email, we can see the phone number, the contact owner, the primary company, and all of these things. So let's imagine that we want to add in more custom fields that we want to be able to see. All you need to do is just to click on edit column, and this is everything that is showing up on that table page. You can also decide that you want to add in different custom fields or different fields to show up in the list view. So let's say we want to check in for the list job title, we want to check in for the last name also. We also want to check the lead source, and let's say where is owner. Let me type in owner. Yeah, so the contact owner is there already, and we can check in the owner assigned date. And also you can rearrange this however you want. So last name should be after the first name. Where is first name? Yeah, so this is first name. I want to also add first name, and I'm going to drag in my first name up. My first name should be after name. My last name should also be after first name. Then the email, yeah, I think that's okay. The create date, we can drag in the create date here, and we can drag in the last activity days here. You can just arrange it however you want. And also when you are done, you click on apply, or you can remove all columns if you want to start again. So let's just click on apply, and this is going to add in the different things I just added in. And as you can see, it's adding the job title, it's adding the lead source, it's adding the owner assigned date, it's adding the create date, and the last activity date. This is actually very amazing, because if you want to be able to take a glance and just to, instead of like checking in on everyone, you just want to see at a glance a particular custom field, all you need to do is just to add it to the list view. Okay, so if you enjoyed this lesson up until the end, I want to say a very big thank you for watching this. And also do not forget that if you are having issues with your HubSpot, you can book a free discovery call in the description below, and we are going to help you take a look at your current setup in your HubSpot account, and we are going to help you also to be able to maximize HubSpot to the fullest potential. So book your free discovery call in the link in the description below, and do not also forget to download your free guide, which is going to help you set up HubSpot optimally. Also, do not forget to subscribe to this channel because we are going to be posting amazing content like this, and we do not want you to miss out. Also, like this video and also share to everyone who you think is going to find this video useful, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.